Two types of screens are generally used, capacitive and resistive screens. In fact, the working principles are simple. Capacitive screens, as their name suggests, work by interacting with the static electricity on our fingertips when touched. Resistive screens, on the other hand, work through direct physical touch. Capacitive screens have a four-layer structure. When the industrial panel computer's screen is touched by hand, static electricity on the human body acts as one pole of the coupling capacitor, and the current is collected from the four corners of the screen to form coordinates. Industrial panel computers using capacitive screens can perform multiple touches. The main disadvantage is that when the ambient temperature, humidity, electric field, etc. change, the capacitive screen may drift and frequently require calibration and positioning to correct errors. The resistive touch screen, in contrast, is physically harder because it works by the change of resistance when the two conductive layers of glass contact each other. The controller calculates the coordinates of the contact point based on the detected resistance change and then performs the relevant operations according to the coordinates. Resistive screens have low requirements in the working environment and are not affected by dust, humidity, and oil. It can be touched by any object, which in some cases can provide the ability to work with thick gloves. As you can see, the main differences between capacitive and resistive screens are that I am explaining to you. As you can see, on the left is a resistive touchscreen, on the right is a capacitive touchscreen with multi-touch support. You can only investigate the websites of ICC for the job that is written on the name.